First of all, I want to thank Coach Pat, Better Basketball, na in-invite ako to to be part of that private workout. And then yeah, it's a privilege for me na makapaglaro with NBA players, with Vic Oladipo and some two-way players ng NBA. Then yeah, it's been a pleasure for me. It's been a once in a lifetime experience, and hopefully this is not the last na meron akong ganung private workout. I think dun sa tryout is to gain, nothing to lose, more to gain. All for the gain. Pero ayun nga, ginawa ko lang yung tangibles, ginawa ko lang yung gusto ipagawa sa akin ni Coach Pat, ginawa ko lang yung dapat kong gawin. Then yeah, expect nothing from everybody lang. Pero ayun nga, must be, kailangan ko lang mag-work hard for me and put my trust in myself lang palagi. So yeah, na kaya kong maabot yung NBA mentally and personally, na may isip ko na kaya ko lahat. I think kaya kong gawin is to maging mentally sharp lang, na kaya ko pala silang depensahan. Pero not every time, pero ginagawa ko naman yung best ko to be a good defender, to be a great defender. So, yung mga areas to improve is madami kasi most of the people here is iso balls. Kumbaga, puro isolation. Kumbaga, may mga areas na ano ba maitutulong ko sa team, ano ba maitutulong ko sa ganitong organization, ano ba matutulong ko sa game na to. And na-realize ko is to rely on the small things na pwedeng makatulong, is to rebound, to defend, to communicate with my teammates defensively and offensively. So, yun.